just to hear a human voice. But the needle started jumping like it didn't have a choice. The kitchen floor is freezing and the stove is glowing red, like the angry little secrets that we left inside the bed. I could pack a leather suitcase, I could catch the midnight bus, but there isn't any distance that can fix the ghost of us. The moon is just a silver coin tossed in